Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you CONMEBOL Libertadores event group stage head-to-head match versus Bolivar in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner and new into this game and still confusing how you can challenge the event, complete the quest, so you get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started by tap the play button. Tap the live event and tap this CONMEBOL Libertadores event. So currently you are in group stage, but next week is knockout stage. So you have to play this one for match. The first one is skill game, the second one skill game, the third is a second half match. So you are leading. And this one I want to show you this match Bolivar. So the opponent leading by 1 and you have to start in second half in 15 minutes. And the guaranteed rewards from this match is even pass credit 100 and coin 5000. Tap the play. So welcome to the game. As you can see, the opponent team is leading, so you have to score to win this match. Please play patiently, no need to rush. You have to play this game slowly but directly. So feel free to try this challenge. I hope you can win this match because it's easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.